I would like to have there to be a little bit of a mass where the hair would be. So first of all, I'm just going to get into a side view. I'm going to toggle my X-ray. I will go ahead and box select, selecting kind of the crown of the head. I will also hold down Shift and box select the back of the head. If I don't like exactly what I've got, I might push down the Control button and unselect certain things. I think I'm going to get into a view where I can get a little bit more of these masses. I think I'll use circle select, and in that case I don't have to hold down any special keys. The circle select just adds on to what you already have. Hit enter, take another look. I've got some stuff I don't want. Just unselecting some of the bits that maybe I don't necessarily want. Maybe I'll turn off my X-ray mode now. Unselect a few more things. Alright, so now it's not exact, but I do have mirroring on. We'll see if this works the way I want. Over with these tools, there's an option for push-pull or shrink-fatten. So in this case, I'm going to select the push-pull. And what I can do is just grab this little pin, and I can resize things a little bit. Now, I'm going to Control Z, and I'm going to redo that, making my proportional editing a little bit smaller. But now we've got something a little bit more like a mass of hair that I can kind of work with that is distinct and separate from where kind of the face is.